The Excel project has also taught me a lot of other important things. Another main thing was formulas. Okay, going back to examples when I was a project manager, I dealt with, this is just a small example, I dealt with 50 plus homes, which would be the names, and this was the task bars that we would do. And each one is built upon the other. After framing a start, B plus 3. 3 days after framing starts, I should have windows installed. And then trusses should set 6 days after framing starts, and so on. The main important thing about this factor is in construction we have milestones, and milestones pretty much coincide with bank draws. So if I had 50 projects and I was wanting to schedule when I have bank draws, when I have this, could, instead of being rough inspections, this could be closings, so that I can schedule closings. This is all, I could just look at it here. Well, the house on Hampton should have a rough inspection on 322. The one at West Star, 501. Oakview School Commercial, I should have a rough inspection then. So therefore, I can check on my resources. So through Excel, I used to have to hand do all this out on a calendar and base each date, and there was nothing I could quickly look to. If I was doing this in real life, I would have added each column to each one of them, where it would be factual dates, actual dates versus expected dates, and I can see, was it missed, yes or no, and then I could also add into it how many days I'm behind or how many days I'm ahead, and each one of those dates would change this, but then I would have another box saying we're plus or minus ahead. So I would be, if we're ahead of schedule, we're plus. If we're behind schedule, we'd be negative. And so therefore each one of them would show. And this was another great thing about formulas that I've learned.